A software glitch causes worldwide outages. The bulls have momentum heading into the weekend, and Donald Trump will hold a roundtable discussion while in Nashville for Bitcoin 24. How much to attend? Stick around to find out on this week's Bitcoin News Update. Hi, I'm Nate Martin with this week's Bitcoin News Update. A faulty software update from cybersecurity firm Crowdstrike caused worldwide outages on Friday, severely disrupting hospital, transportation, banking, and broadcast services. Problems were first reported in Australia and New Zealand, but as the sun rose across the world hour by hour, the problem spread into Asia, Europe, and the United States, causing thousands of Windows-based IT systems to fail, with many of their computers displaying the dreaded blue screen of death. Delta, United, and American Airlines had to ground their flights due to the disruption, creating havoc at major airports. And while most systems have since been restored, Senator Cynthia Lummis posted on X the question, "Do you know what form of currency hasn't been affected by widespread cyber outages? Bitcoin." And Sunnyside Digital CEO Taras Kulik explained that because Bitcoin doesn't run on Windows software, its hash rate was completely unaffected, saying, quote, "It's hilarious because banks globally have been shutting down because of this server issue. And yet, Bitcoin keeps hashing. And I hate to use the term, but tick-tock, next block." Heading into the weekend, Bitcoin's price shows the bulls taking charge, including a run of 10 straight hourly green candles on its way up to $67,200 from $63,700 when Friday's run began. But this continued bull run is without significant retail demand. According to CryptoQuant founder Ki-Young Ju, BTC demand from the retail class has hit a 3-year low. The metric tracking changes in Bitcoin's transfer volume for amounts of $10,000 or less over a 30-day period was at minus 20%, a level not seen since 2021. Some believe that the bearish conditions from June and earlier this month have eroded retail investor confidence, resulting in lower participation. But as institutional demand continues to grow and the number of long-term holders increases, more investors are likely to follow their lead. To find signal of growing investor confidence, one only needs to look at the substantial inflows at BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, as Friday's one-day inflows were an impressive $116.2 million, marking 10 consecutive days of net inflows for the fund. 8 of those days recording inflows of more than $100 million each. As Bitcoin enthusiasts gather in Nashville, Tennessee this week for the Bitcoin 24 convention, anticipation is sky high as former President Donald Trump is slated to be the featured speaker on Saturday afternoon. Dennis Porter, president of the Satoshi Action Fund, posted on X on Thursday that while in Nashville, Trump plans to announce his intent to implement a Bitcoin strategic reserve for the United States. And on Saturday, Porter noted that Bitcoin's price had risen 10% since that announcement. While in Nashville, President Trump is inviting individuals for a roundtable discussion. In order to attend the event, participants are asked for a campaign donation to the tune of $844,600 each. Why the unusual figure? Well, it happens to be the maximum amount an individual can contribute to a campaign. And while certainly not attending the roundtable, I will be in Nashville reporting from the convention, so make sure to have notifications on for this channel so as to not miss any updates. That's it for this week's Bitcoin News Update. If you're headed to Nashville and happen to see me around the conference, introduce yourself. I look forward to meeting you and hearing about your Bitcoin journey. See you next week.